Want to send large files on Yahoo Mail? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to yahoo.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to click on this mail icon. Once you get here, click on the compose option. Now you can easily click on the attachment icon over here and attach your files, but Yahoo has a limit. If you exceed the limit and you want to send the large files, you want to upload your file on Google Drive. Go ahead and open Google Drive. Here, upload your file. Once you have uploaded it, click on these three dots. Then select the option of share. Click on share again. Now copy this link. Make sure to set the access to anyone with the link. Now head over to Yahoo Mail and paste that link. Now enter in the subject, then the recipient. Now click on the send option. As you can see, the large file has been successfully sent, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.